Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Corsair K100 RGB. So, first off, it's a big and heavy package. Of course, it's a big keyboard as well, so that is expected. And on the back side we can see some information, and one thing is that it has the red cherry. Another one is that it supports PC and Mac, so Windows and Mac OS, and USB 3.0. So, and here you can see some other, like Corsair, they have their Q for the RGB and Axon for the processing. Alright, so first off, as we can see, the keyboard is protected with this plastic. I always like that. It's a little premium touch, always nice to get. And then we get the keyboard itself. And indeed, it is heavy. But also I think it looks pretty nice. We get these G buttons. I guess they are programmable for your own needs. And here we have the volume, down or up, a scroll wheel, also kind of nice. And here we get, I'm not sure what these are, guess you lock it, maybe some Windows features, turn on the computer, and something here, change user, lock it. There's also a scroll wheel here, I'm gonna have to take a look what that means in my review later on. And of course we get these pause, skip buttons and stop. So a lot of features here. Of course we get the number pad here on the right side, and yeah, then we get all the function keys here as well. Alright, so let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so right off the bat, it's actually the nicest keyboard I've tested on this channel this far. They are really nice to touch and use. The sound is okay, I guess, but to feel, just when you are typing and doing things, yeah, it's very, very nice. And also under here we can see the switches, how they work. Also a nice feature, I guess they will have some RGB when we plug it in. And I also noticed that we get 2 USB ports. I'm guessing it is because, yeah, we get an extra USB extension on this right here. So that is a nice feature if you want to plug in a mouse, maybe you want to plug in your some kind of USB stick, so also a nice feature there. We get the Windows button here, which tells me that it's not entirely equipped for the Mac, but of course it supports Mac, so you can use this for Mac as well. Let's take a look at the rest of the package here. We get this yellow box. And in here we get some extra switches. We get a manual, always nice to include, and warranty guide and safety information. And what else do we got in the box? Okay, we got some more switches and a tool to remove the switches. And yes, we get this wrist support, I guess you can call it. Some people like this, some people don't, but just to have this included so you can choose whether to use it or not, that is also a nice feature. That was it for this unboxing of the Corsair K100 RGB. It feels really nice, and soon I'm gonna make a review of this device. So, I'll see you. Bye.